Hey, how's it going, Bowling Green Powerhouse? Amari here. Just wanted to send you this quick video because we're actively looking for a business, specifically a fitness or personal training company to work with in Bowling Green. Now, we came across your website, so we just wanted to send you this quick video with some good faith information to show you that we really do know what we're talking about. We specialize in SEO, and we saw your guys' website, over here on the third page of Google. We see right up here. So you're at the top of the third page of Google, but top of the third page is not very good. Really and truly, you want to be here. You want to be the top, the top of the first page. You want anywhere on the first page is where you want to be, and it also increase your chances of also being here, in the map pack, so you can overtake Anytime Fitness, Bowling Green Athletic Club, overtake these guys and take this prime real estate. So if someone is looking for a gym, whether it be for like what you guys do, powerlifting, strongman, personal training, fitness, weight loss, or anything like that, your company will be the one that pops up. So come in here and find your website. I just wanted to send you this video with some pro tips on how you can get your website to rank a lot higher, because you have a beautiful website, but we can definitely do some things to help you with getting it to rank a lot higher. The first thing you want to do to help your website rank higher is getting more content on your home page. Google loves content. When Google finds a website, specifically their home page, what Google wants to do is it scrolls, it goes and reads everything on your website, every single word. Maybe it's a link, maybe it's something to link to another site, so it's reading this, seeing where the link goes, and it wants to read and see all the words you have on your site. So the more content, authoritative content you have on your homepage relating to fitness, fitness, strongman, weightlifting, powerlifting, anything like that, or even massage therapy, the more Google is going to like your homepage. So putting more information related to your business on your homepage and fleshing it out a bit more is going to be key to helping you out. If you come here, we typed in, I just went back real quick just to show we're doing it in real time. If you came here and typed in exercise in Google, Wikipedia is one of the first things that pops up, because Wikipedia is the authority on exercise, and because of the sheer amount of content they have on their website relating, or on this page anyway, relating to exercise. It's just vast, and it links to a lot of different things. So a lot of websites are linking to this, and this is linking to other sites. So just the amount of information it has, the keywords related to exercise that it has on this page, is what's helping it be in that top spot for this search term right here. So you definitely want to utilize that strategy. Work with Google's algorithm and put more content on your homepage. The second thing you do want to do is you want to get your phone number, on the top portion of this homepage. Getting it here would definitely be helpful. Clicking your homepage brings you back here, but if someone clicked it, you definitely want to bring it to a call option where they can call your business, talk to someone, get some more information. So you definitely want to make this a click to call function. Just put your phone number here, and then have it be a click to call function. The next thing you want to do is you want to work on getting some backlinks. This is where you guys are struggling right now. Backlinks basically is a link that a referring domain is linking to your website. So you can see the ones you currently have. Kentucky Weightlifting Club is linking to your guys' website. Soft Powerhouse promo code is linking, to your guys' website. So you do have some backlinks, but the link quality itself is very low. So this is really the meat and potatoes of getting your website to rank, is getting good link quality and good link volume. And link quality is just saying, not all links are created equal. That's a neighbor saying that you guys are good for training, or the governor of Kentucky saying you guys are good for training. You know, essentially they're one vote, but one weighs a lot more than the other. You know, so you do want to work on getting some quality backlinks, and this is what's going to allow you to quickly move up through the Google search engine and start getting on that first page and fighting for that top spot on that first page. Now, if we look at one of your competitors, you know, OP Fitness KY, you know, they have 7 links, only 2 more than you guys, but they have a bit more trust flow. And this little bit of trust flow is what's bringing them higher up in the rankings. Looking at their homepage also, they have a little bit more words on their homepage, but not much, right? You know, so you can definitely utilize that to your advantage. You know, work to get some more quality links, get this trust flow up, and then you really start moving through the Google listings. And the last thing I do want to mention is getting up here. What if you guys do not have one? You're probably here. When we click on more places to get it to expand, you're probably there. But you want to get a lot of reviews from people on Google. You want to use this Google My Business listing. You want to get in here. You want to put all your information, put your location, and then just start having every single client that you work with, you know, client, friends, family, friends of clients, strangers you see, to start giving you 5-star ratings, because Google loves when you, the business, uses their system, but they also love it when you get others to utilize their system too. All right, so that's something you definitely want to be utilizing, because again, it is free. Everything that I've shown you here is free, but you just need to know how to do it. You know, we haven't touched on keywords yet. We haven't touched on citations to get your roots out there a little bit more. We haven't touched on a lot of things, but these are, I find, some of the best techniques to get a website to rank more organically through Google. And once you rank organically through Google, you don't go anywhere. This is not like paid advertising where it runs out. Organic ranking is like growing a plant. Once it's grown, you know, it becomes stronger and healthier, you know, the bigger it gets. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you learned a lot here. If you have any questions, just reply to the email that I sent you. Or just email me at taurusseo.co@gmail.com. More than happy to answer your questions and show you exactly how you can utilize this time right now, where a lot of people are contracting, and you to expand and put some time and effort into getting your SEO well done and getting your footprint on the Google listing. So like I said, hopefully this video was helpful. Hey, have a beautiful day.